welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And I know it's been a while. And if you are new, welcome. I love having you here. And please do not leave without subscribing, commenting, and liking this video. And if you are my day one, welcome back, loves. And I'm actually coming back from Sky Hotel, I think. And I just thought I should do this because I didn't do the intro to this video. It's gonna be a very short video, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. If you do, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for 650. But so I went to see I need to cross the road. I went to see as I was saying, I went Thai massage therapist. I will put all his details in the description box, and yeah, if you need some of that, you could use him. He was amazing, and yeah, I'll definitely go back to him. Do another session. He is based in St. Johannesburg. Oh, it's stunning. Self-checking.
Was you sitting a lot?
Yeah, and my previous work I was standing a lot.
Oh, and it's not in comparison. The other one now is sitting a
Yeah.
lot. The other one used to stand a lot.
But you know, I actually kind of like stand.
You prefer standing?
No, I don't.
You kind of like stand.
Yeah, because I work in retail, so there's a lot of standing.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
I see. And with regards with your, you may go through with regards with your injuries, with
I've never.
your scapulars, is that due to injury?
I've never been injured.
You've never been injured.
Not that I know of. Anyway.
Okay. Sorry, I forgot to ask. Would you like some coffee, tea?
Coffee, please.
Coffee.
Yes.
Actually gonna do Thai traditional massage, which actually it entails the infusion of the eastern and the western side,
Okay.
which is influenced by an institution called ENMAS, which I once worked for. That was actually in Ilovo side.
Okay.
So there are two. There used to be two branches, one in Ilovo and one in Cape Town.
Okay.
So the one in Cape is Ilovo closed.
Okay.
So hence I also work with other ladies. Then I also work for myself as well as a private entity, and I've been working for about 14 years already. Yeah.
14 years.
14 years. I practiced on my nieces. I practiced on my brothers. I practiced even on my brother's wife,
Okay.
which was pregnant.
Oh.
And I did my assignment on a pregnant lady. And she was like, and I asked her, how was the Thai traditional massage? And she said, average. I was like, wow.
Average. Okay.
And then I just cursed my. But then when it came to the clients were like, okay, that was my very eloquent. Keep that guy. He knows his story.
Okay.
We've never had such healing as we had received from that guy.
Okay, that's good compliment.
Have you? Thank you. Have you ever gone for Thai traditional massage?
I've never actually went for even a normal body massage.
Okay.
So this is basically my first experience.
Okay.
Because the one that the chiropractor did was more like
Crack in your bag.
Not really, because I didn't. She said I don't have bubbles. You know when they say the bones. She says there might be a bubble or something. I probably won't be technical about it, but
lack of oxygen being distributed in those ligaments and all that, blah blah blah.
Probably that.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
So this is my first experience.
Okay, that's lovely. That's lovely.
I've never heard, but someone did say maybe you should do a Thai massage.
Which one
to
was
release.
That, if you don't mind mentioning names.
I don't know who, but someone did mention maybe you should. I think one of my colleagues, if I'm not mistaken. And also I watch a lot of K-Yams.
Yes.
And she was like, yo, I'm stressed, I'm tired, what. And then she went for a time and she's like, oh, that was so good.
True.
So I was like, maybe to release. I don't know if I'm stressed. Sometimes it happens that you're stressed, but you don't know. But I don't think it's stress, because sometimes I will get up at night and I'll feel pain. And then I'll take my pillow and I'll put it around here and I'll sleep like this. So
which would be a good choice rather than rushing to a painkiller, right?
I don't take painkillers. I don't really like, unless I don't have a high tolerance for pain, but I never resort to taking that. And my chiropractor would say that I need a heat pad. So I'll put the thing on my, those the people that sleep on with the water bottle.
Yes.
So I'll take that.
Yeah.
But my one is like the heating thing one. That you get at discount.
Okay.
So I'll put it in the microwave and then I'll just put it in there. It will release.
And that would be hot therapy compression.
Yeah, that would also actually release some pain.
Tension and all that. Okay.
Yeah. Because when I went to them, she would put this machine. I don't know how to explain it, but when someone is in hospital, they put those things that
the patches.
Yes. So she will put the machine and put the patches, and then she will set it and say, "Let me know if the tolerance is too high.
Yeah.
Like where you can tolerate it, let me know."
I know.
And then she will press it, and it will something like that. And then I'll feel like my muscles are doing something, you know. So I don't know what it is. Yes. So I'll feel so much better, but it wouldn't last so long. Maybe after 2 days, if I like, because the thing is at work, the work station is not like like this. Yes, it's not aligning.
Yes.
So I would do this a lot and be like,
you're sort of slouching.
Yes, my back. So I think that's where also the problem is. And I used to be a makeup consultant.
Oh, yeah.
So I used to, stand and do this.
Do your art.
Master
art, that.
So I don't know. And I also used to work as a cashier. I used to stand the whole day.
Yeah.
So maybe those are coming back. And that was like 13 or something years ago.
And I also actually even found this other lady yesterday. They actually opposite iPhone.
Okay.
So the next door, I think the Mandela coin, and then they're the baiting company. And they stand all day. I'm like, oh, okay, go. It's about who you know, blah, 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 blah. Look at my page. You guys also stand. Seeing that you're also mentioning about stand and all that. So, I can't wait for us to proceed.
Do I need to take out my shoes too?
Your shoes, please. Your comfortable shoes.
Yes, I bought them because of I even went.
They look warm.
I even went as far as buying
comfortable shoes.
And a sports bra. They cost a fortune.
Yeah. You don't want to go there at pharmacy. So everything is like, there's actually the last time I saw that they got bamboo underwear, bamboo bra. I'm like, oh, jeez. Literally, their bra, I think their bra cost, could be 2,000 or 1,500. I might be exaggerating, but I'll send you their link, and that's in Miora's arch.
Okay. Because it's painful to a point where I'm like, maybe my bras are too tight here.
Yeah.
So I actually asked my colleagues to adjust it to the last setting.
Yes.
And then it was still excruciating painful.
Yeah.
What I did was I just undone my bra.
Hi, Bo. Okay. Yeah, right.
Thank God you're here. We're now buying healing. Can you feel?
I do.
My chiropractor.
But I'm impressed by your flexibility.
Is it? Did you hear that?
I didn't. Oscar. I'm used to it. So where it's paid for these toxins.
So enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next video.